Hello friends, I am Sreenivas Chowdary, would be dealing with the part of quantitative ability in ACE Engineering Academy. I am a senior faculty here and I am associated with both GATE, ESC, Civil Services, SSC, Banking and all other competitive examinations. Today, in this live session, let's have a look at one of the most important areas that is needed for Staff Selection Commission based exams like CGL and other SSC exams. So this is algebra. So as far as SSC CGL is concerned, the weightage for this, the number of questions they are giving is around 4 to 5 questions in prelims. And it is one of the major important areas that you have to mandatorily master in order to excel in Staff Selection Commission based exams. So in this, I'll start with algebra identities. And I'll show you what are identities and how the questions are framed around concept of identities and all. Right? If at all you are having any doubts, you can just text me in the chat box so that we'll respond. Right here, let us start with algebra identities. First of all, what is an identity? An identity is nothing but an equation which remains true for any value of the variable that is mentioned over there. Like for example, you might have seen something like a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square will be true. A plus b whole square will remain a square plus 2ab plus b square for any values of a and b. So an identity is nothing but an equation which or expression which remains valid for any set of values you are going to take. That is an identity. Now, how the questions are formed based on this particular concepts, let us see. Like we have seen many identities in schooling, like a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube. Even if you take trigonometry into consideration, there we have seen sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So whatever may be the value of theta, that will still remain 1 for any value of theta there. That's why there we call them as identities in trigonometry. Coming to identities in algebra, so these are the identities that are there in algebra. Let us see some major identities that are appearing in competitive examinations and the questions that are being framed based on these identities applications. Right? Let's go ahead with. So here first identity I am showing is a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is nothing but a square plus 2ab plus b square. This can also be expressed in the form of a minus b whole square as a minus b whole square plus 4ab. Next, a minus b whole square is another identity. So a square like a minus b whole square is nothing but a square minus 2ab plus b square. If you try to relate it with a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab, I can write it as. How we got this, sir? If you observe it, we know that a square minus 2ab plus b square, I can simply write this as a square plus 2ab plus b square. As it should be minus 2ab, I have written it as plus 2ab. You write minus 4ab at the end. So that this expression will be equal to what? A plus b whole square, a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Right? Like this, we can convert a plus b whole square into a minus b whole square and a minus b whole square into a plus b whole square with these relations. So if a plus b whole square is known, if you wish to find a minus b whole square directly we can say that a minus b whole square equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. If the product of a and b is given along with the sum of a and b, if you wish to directly find the value of a minus b, you can get it by relating it to a minus b whole square formula, so that by substituting the values over here, we can get the value of a minus b directly. Right? Let's go ahead further. Next one is, if you are going for a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. So when we are going for adding both, we know that a plus b whole square is nothing but a square plus 2ab plus b square plus a minus b whole square is nothing but a square minus 2ab plus b square. These are the two formulae that we have learnt just now. Going ahead with, if you add these two will get cancelled. You are left with what? You are left with 2a square and 2b square. 2a square plus 2b square. So this can be written as what? So 2a square plus 2b square can be written as, right, 2a square plus 2b square. So if you are taking 2 common here, that gives you what? 2 into a square plus b square. That's how this relation has come. So a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square will always be equal to 2 times of a square plus b square. Similarly, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square may be asked. How can we get that? Let us derive that also. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square will be equal to 4ab. How it has come? We know that a plus b whole square is nothing but a square plus 2ab plus b square minus a minus b whole square is nothing but a square minus 2ab plus b square. On simplification here, it will give you how much? Now simply go ahead, a square plus 2ab plus b square here. This minus multiplies that gives you minus a square plus 2ab minus b square. So here plus a square minus a square is getting cancelled, plus b square and minus b square is getting cancelled. We are left with 2ab plus 2ab, 2ab plus 2ab, that is equal to how much? 4ab. So a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square equal to 2 into a square plus b square. Similarly, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square will become equal to what? 4ab. Right? Next identity that you must know is this, a plus b plus c whole square. So if you want to find a plus b plus c whole square, when we derive it by using the previous two identities, this will come out to be a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So here in this one, if you take 2 as common, that will leave you with 2 times of ab plus bc plus ca inside. Right? This is the next identity that you must know. Now let us see some application problems related to these identities I have shown. Right. Once we are done with the problems related to this, then I will take you to the next set of identities and their applications accordingly. Let us start with the first example here. All these questions that I am going to discuss are the questions that are being taken from Staff Selection Commission based exams, especially CGL. Right. Going ahead with, it is given that if x minus y is equal to 2 and xy equal to 24, then the value of x square plus y square is. We want the value of x square plus y square. It can be done in two ways, by using identities or by using trial and error method. I will show you both. Going ahead with the identities approach first. If I go by identities approach, as I know the value of x minus y, and as they are asking you for x square plus y square, I can simply take this formula into consideration. X minus y whole square must be equal to x square plus y square minus 2xy, I can write it as. So here x minus y value we know, that is 2. 2 square is equal to x square plus y square, I want x square plus y square minus 2xy. What is the value of xy they have given? 24. This gives you what? So this gives you x square plus y square equal to, here we have 4. 4 is equal to x square plus y square minus 48. From this I can say that x square plus y square is equal to x square plus y square equal to 4 plus 48. That becomes how much? 52. Is the value of x square plus y square must be equal to 52. Right. Now, without this formula, is there any other approach of solving it, sir? Definitely yes, provided you have fair idea about the numbers, factors and all those concepts. If you are reasonably good at number system concepts, handling many problems will become very easy for you, provided you know divisibility rules, factors and all. So here you can read it this way. I am looking for two numbers whose product is 24, and they are differing by 2. I am looking for two numbers whose product is 24 and are differing by 2. So what are those? Let us go for guessing here. What is that, sir? So I want two numbers product must be equal to 24, and those two numbers must differ by 2. They must differ by 2. Let us see. If I take y as 1, x must be how much? 24. They are differing not by 2, they are differing by 23. So not possible. So if I take it as 2, it will become how much? 12. They are not differing by 2, so leave it. If I take y as 3, this should be how much? 8. They are differing by 5, so not possible. If I take this as 4, this will be what? 6. So 4 into 6 is 24 and they are differing by 2 also. So I got a pair which is satisfying both the conditions, where x into y is becoming 24 and they are differing by 2 also. Now I need x square plus y square. So I have guessed the values of x and y. So if I wish to find the value of x square plus y square now, simply go ahead by substituting the values of respective values of x and y over here. This will give you how much, dear? 36 plus 16, that is equal to how much? 52. This we call it as trial and error method. This is one way of looking at the problem. The other one is based on identities concept. So how you deal with it doesn't matter, but ensure that you are trying to solve the problem within that 30 to 40 seconds time bound. If you are taking any time more than that so-called 30 to 40 seconds, it is of no use in the competitive examinations. Your target should always be that 30 to 40 seconds only. That is possible only when your calculation skill is reasonably good. That's the reason why knowing some techniques is always needed rather than going by traditional approach always. Right? Is that clear? Any doubt? Any doubt? No? Let's go ahead. Please try this one. If any doubt, please text me. Please try this one. Yeah, good evening. Answer 52, that's fine. Right here. So I'm going ahead. If p plus q equal to 10 and pq equal to 5, then the numerical value of p by q plus q by p will be. Here also we are looking for two numbers whose sum is 10 and product is 5. You are looking for two numbers whose sum must be 10 and product must be 5. Now, guessing the numbers may be difficult here. So to get the value, you just simply go for cross multiplication. That gives you how much? P square plus q square by pq. P square plus q square by pq. That's what I want. Now, how can I get p square plus q square, sir? We know p plus q value here. So p square plus q square I want. So I can get p square plus q square with the help of p plus q and pq in this manner. I can write that p square plus q square as p plus q whole square. From that you remove 2pq. That gives you p square plus q square by pq. Now you know the values of p plus q, you know the value of pq as well as this also. Just substitute the values from the given data. So p plus q is given as 10. You simply substitute 10 over here. This gives you 10 square minus 2 into PQ, PQ is given as 5, 2 into 5 by PQ is nothing but 5. This gives you how much, dear? 10 square is nothing but 100. 100 minus 2 into 5 is 10. So 100 minus 10 is nothing but 90. 90 by 5 should be equal to how much? 18. Hence the value of P by Q plus Q by P will be equal to 18 here. Hence it should be option D. Right? Check it. Please tell me if there is any doubt. Is everyone comfortable? Right? No doubt. Okay. Going ahead with the next one. If A equal to 23 and B equal to minus 29, then the value of 25A square, 25A square plus 40AB plus 16B square is. The moment you see this, many people are getting confused with as to how to substitute these big values over here, sir. Like if you directly substitute A equal to 23 here and B equal to minus 29 over here, it becomes difficult for you to handle the calculation part, because if you are putting A equal to 23 here, 25 into 23 square. We know 23 square is 529, that is right, but 529 into 25 will be difficult. Similarly, 40 into 23 into 29, all those calculations we cannot do. So here they are just testing, do you know the application of identities or not? Which means, if you observe it carefully here, there is a scope for you to handle it by using the concept of identities, if you can convert this into either A plus B whole square or A minus B whole square, so that it will become easy for you to handle. How can I write this one, sir? How can we imagine it as? This I can take it as 5A. It is something like x, you imagine. This is like x square plus 2x, 2xy, 2 into, in place of x I will put 5A. Into, so I am already having how much? 2 into 5A means I already have 10A. I need 4B over here. That gives us 40AB. Plus 16B square can be written as what? 4 into B whole square. Now it is looking like x square plus 2xy plus y square. X square plus 2xy plus y square is nothing but x plus y whole square. So in place of x I have 5A. This is 5A plus 4B whole square. 5A plus 4B whole square. Now it becomes easy for you to handle, because if you are substituting A equal to 23 and B equal to 29, this value may be decreasing because you are having one as positive, other one as negative over here. Now going ahead with 5 into A, in place of A if I substitute 23, 5 into 23 will give you how much? 115 plus 4 into 29, 4 into minus 29 will give you how much, dear? That is going to give you minus 116, 29 4s are 116. Hence I can say that this is minus 116 whole square. This gives you how much, dear? 115 minus 116 will give you minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 whole square will be equal to how much? 1. Hence its value must be equal to how much? 1. Hence it should be option A. Is that clear? Please make a note of it. If there is any doubt, please raise it. Any doubt? 18, 1, 1, perfect. Comfortable? Right? Yeah, please share it with your friends, share the link with your friends so that other people can get benefited. Can I go to the next problem? Can I go to the next problem? Right? Chalo. Let us go ahead. Next one. I am going for another important identity here. So that is a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca is equal to, that can be written as half of a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. So a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca can be written as half of a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. We know a minus b whole square formula, b minus c whole square formula and c minus a whole square formula. If you are expanding it, that will get converted to this one. Now, in the exam, by giving you the values of a, b and c, large values of a, b and c, they will ask you to find this value. If you keep on substituting the large values for a, b and c, it becomes difficult for you to answer that one. Then what we should do, sir? If the values are large and they are nearer, like values given are 2026 and 2027, something like this they have given, 2028. Say suppose the values of a, b, c they have given are this. By giving you the values of a, b, c like this, if they are asking you for a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca, if you go for substituting the values for a, b, c like this, you cannot get the value of 2026 whole square that quickly and easily. Then what I should do, sir? In such a scenario, you have to utilize this formula so that it becomes easy for you to handle it. Hence, let us go ahead with an example to understand it better that was asked in SSC CGL. Right dear? This is a problem that was asked in previous exam. What they have given? Just check. They have given the value of x as 2015. The value of x is 2015, y is 2014 and z is 2013. These are the three values they have given and they are asking you to find the value of x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. This value I want. Now if you go for substituting the values of x, y, z over here, getting the square of 2015, 2014 and 2013 will be time taking for you. Then what I should do, sir? You utilize the formula that we have just now learnt. So here this x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx can be written as half of x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square, right? That's what we can write it as. Now go ahead by substituting the values of x, y, z over there, because the difference between x, y and z will become simpler here. So half of. Now tell me x minus y, x is 2015, y is 2014. So 2015 minus 2014 will give me 1. So this gives you 1 square plus y minus z whole square. Value of y is 2014 and z is 2013. So y minus z means 2014 minus 2013, that will be equal to 1. So again it will be giving you 1 here plus 1 square plus z minus x. So z is 2013 minus x is 2015. 2013 minus 2015 must be equal to minus 2. That should be equal to minus 2 whole square. Hence, it should be minus 2 whole square over here. Right dear? On simplifying this one, this gives you what? Half into half. 2 whole square is 4. This is giving you how much, dear? That is giving you half of this total is coming out to be 6. That should be equal to how much? 3. So knowing the formula is different and knowing where to apply that particular identity is something that you have to master. So many people do know the formula of x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. I'm not saying that your competitors do not know it. Whoever are the other people who are going to write the exam are also aware of the formula, but are they aware of the application or not? So if you are aware of every application of every formula, where exactly this formula must be used and how that formula will be helpful for us in handling the calculations easily, that is needed. That's why by hearting the formula blindly doesn't help you in cracking the competitive exam. Knowing where to apply it and what is the utilization of that formula is something that you have to always focus on. So if you can do that, see how much of large calculations we have avoided here and how we have converted that large calculations into the simplest possible calculations. This should be the strategy when you are preparing for any competitive examination, right? Where time is a constraint, right dear? Means your answer has to be what? 3. Please remember, there is no other faster method than this to solve this problem. This is the fastest possible. You cannot imagine any method which is faster than this to solve this. Take it for granted. Right dear? Please make a note of it and tell me if there is any doubt till here. Any doubt? Feel free to raise it. Right? Done? Right dear. Let me move on to the next. Please check this identity. This is cubic equation. This is another one which is regularly asked in competitive examinations and its applications are more interesting. Check it out. A plus b whole cube is equal to, A plus b whole cube is given by what? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This can also be written as a cube plus b cube. In these two, I am taking 3ab as common, that is giving me a plus b inside. If I take 3ab out, I am left with a here. If I take 3ab out, I am left with b inside. Hence, I can say that a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b also. From this, we can derive one formula. What is that? A cube plus b cube, if you wish to find, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube, a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. So what did I do here? I just have sent this part to the other side to get the value of a cube plus b cube. Sometimes in the exam, by giving you the value of a plus b and ab, they will ask you to find the values of a cube plus b cube. In such a situation, without you finding the individual values of a and b, you can directly get the value of a cube plus b cube, provided you know this formula, and substitute a plus b and ab over here. That gives you the value of a cube plus b cube straight away, right? This formula is being given in the next slide. That is a cube plus b cube is equal to what? A plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b, right? This is what I said. From this one, if I take a plus b as common, that will give you what? If I am taking a plus b common here, that gives you, if I am taking a plus b out, inside I am left with a plus b whole square, minus 3ab. On simplifying this one, that gives you how much dear? A plus b into a plus b whole square means a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 3ab. That gives you what dear? That will be equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. That's how this formula has come. So a cube plus b cube is nothing but a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. That is correct. On expanding that one, that will be equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, right? Similarly, Let us have a look at a minus b whole cube also. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So this can also be written as a cube minus b cube. If you take minus 3ab as common in both, so that will leave you with minus 3ab into, here I am left with a, here I am left with b. So minus 3ab into a minus b. Now if you want a cube minus b cube, that will be equal to what? A cube minus b cube must be equal to a minus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube. If you are sending this one that side, that will give you plus 3ab into a minus b. So a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. Going ahead with, in the same manner like I have derived the previous formula, if I take a minus b common in these two, I will be left with a minus b outside. Inside I will be getting a square plus ab plus b square. Right? Now let's have a look at the problems related to the application of these identities now. Going ahead with, if x plus y is equal to 7, if x plus y is equal to 7, then the value of x cube plus y cube plus 21xy is. Please observe it here. Without applying the formula, still I can manage. Whenever they are giving you some condition like this, a single condition like this, you have full freedom. Because they simply said x plus y equal to 7. You take any value for x and y and substitute the values over here, that will give you the answer. Right? Going ahead with, if you are taking x equal to 0 and y equal to 7. Why, sir? We know that x plus y together must be 7. If I am taking x as 0 and y as 7 and substitute, and please remember, there should be only one condition. If the second condition is there, the values you are taking here should satisfy both the conditions. Right? As there is only one condition, I have the liberty now. I am utilizing that. Put x equal to 0 and y equal to 7 and substitute the values over here. That will give you what, dear? X cube, it will be 0, plus y cube, it will be 7 cube, that is 343, plus 21xy will become 0. So this gives you the value as how much? 343 straight away. Means your answer has to be what? Option C. That simple it would be. No sir, I wish to go ahead with identity method. So what I can do there? So as you are provided with, this is method 1 and that is the ultimate approach over here. If you go ahead with the second approach, as you are expected to find x cube plus y cube, as the power is coming out to be 3, for you to get the power as 3, you have to ensure that you are cubing on both the sides, then only you can get x cube y cube. So you just cube on both the sides. Cubing on both the sides will give you x plus y whole cube must be equal to what? 7 cube. This gives you a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. That's the formula we have just now learnt. That should be equal to 343. If you are substituting x plus y equal to 7 here, this gives you how much, dear? X cube plus y cube plus 3xy into 7 will give you how much? 21xy. The value will become equal to how much? 343. This is what is being asked here. Hence I can say that the answer is how much? 343. So in either ways, answer will be same. Sir, why did you take 0 over here for x instead of taking 1 and 6? You can take even 1 and 6. Calculation will become more complicated. If I am putting one of the value between x and y as 0, so that the other two terms will become 0, it will become easier for you to calculate. That is the basic intention behind I taking one of the term as 0. Right? Please make a note of it. If there is any doubt, you please tell me. I will repeat. Any doubt? Here Gopi 343, Bhagyalakshmi 343. Wonderful, perfect. Right. Let us see the next problem. Any doubt, you please leave a message in the chat box, dear. Let's go ahead with the next one. Please try this. I'll show you the proof of this. Then I'll tell you a direct way of handling this type of questions. And this is a very regular model, not only in SSC CGL, but also in some exams like railway board exams like RRB and TPC, RRB Group D and all. So this is a standard model. As it is, you will be getting the questions. The number over here will be changing. Inside whatever is given over here will always be same, almost. If they wish to test the depth of your knowledge, they can change this value here. Instead of 1, you may be getting some other value also that I will show you in the next example. Right? First, let us go ahead with the clear-cut procedure first. Then I will tell you the shortcut straight away, which can be done within 2 to 3 seconds itself. Let us go ahead with the procedure. Any answer from anyone for this before I do? Any answer? Any answer? Any response? Any response? Chalo, let me see. Okay, dear. I'm going for solution. Someone has given it as 125. Kishore, that is correct. Now let me show you the procedure as to how to handle it. Don't go by the traditional approach while you are doing it in the exam. Understand how that shortcut has come so that you can memorize it easily. Let's go ahead with the procedure here. So here, if you are sending this one inside, that will give you what? P goes inside, that gives you P cube plus 3P square plus 3P plus 1. You have cube root of this here. And focus on this number at the end. Right, dear? Now, depending on this number, sometimes they may be giving you plus here, sometimes they will be giving you minus here. If plus is given, what will happen? If minus is given, what will happen? I will show you both. If plus is given here, all the signs will be plus here. If it is minus here, here also they will give you minus only. Let's understand why. If you take this into consideration, this can be written as P cube A cube plus 3A square B, we call it as. So 3A square B, I can feel this B as 1. 3A square B plus 3AB square plus last that one can be written as 1 cube. So here this is coming out to be A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube, which is nothing but A plus B whole cube. Hence, this can be said as P plus 1 whole cube, P plus 1 whole cube. So, cube root of P plus 1 whole cube is equal to, please remember, nth root of A to the power of n is always equal to 1. Right? This is the basic that you might have learnt in indices and like powers and indices. Right? Based on that, I can say that cube root of P plus 1 whole cube must be equal to what? P plus 1. P plus 1. So just remember one thing. If at all you are having plus 1 over here, 1 is nothing but what? This is nothing but plus 1 cube, I can say. Imagine this way, plus 1 cube. That's why your answer will be P plus 1 if it is 1 cube. Say suppose I am having 8 here. If 8 is given over here, other values inside will be adjusted accordingly. So you need not be worried about that. If 8 is available here, like plus 8 is nothing but plus 2 cube, then your answer will become equal to how much? Plus 8 means that is plus 2 cube. Then your answer will become equal to what? Instead of P plus 1 here, it will become P plus 2. Say suppose you have plus 27 here. 27 is nothing but what? 3 cube. 3 cube means your answer will be P plus 3 finally. If you understand that procedure, this is a direct problem, I can say. So here you are having plus 1 here, which is nothing but plus 1 cube. That means your answer is simply P plus 1. P plus 1. So by deriving this one, you are getting P plus 1. Hence the answer for this problem is P plus 1, P plus 1. Hence it should be equal to what? 124 plus 1. That should give you 125. 125. Let us see one more example to understand it a little better. And one more thing you have to observe here is, do I have plus or minus? If I have plus here, I'll get plus here. If I have minus here, I'll get minus here. Second, if it is 1 cube, I'll get 1 here. If it is 2 cube, I'll get 2 here. If the last value is corresponding to 3 cube, that will give me 3 over here. This is the point that you have to understand in the shortcut. Now let's see one more example, right? Let us go for the next problem. Please tell me the answer for it. Fatafat, it should not take more than 2 to 3 seconds. What is available over here? Minus 1. You have minus here. So your answer will be P plus or minus, minus because I have minus here, minus. What am I having over here? 1. 1 means what? 1 cube. 1 cube means I will be putting 1 here. So your answer should be what? P minus 1. Your answer must be P minus 1 straight away. So what is P here? 126. What is 1? So minus 1. So 126 minus 1 will give you how much? 125. How much time it is taking? As simple as that. If you blindly by heart without understanding how it has come, when they give some other number, generally what people will do, if at all you have minus 1 here, put minus 1, plus 1 here, put plus 1, that's what they learn. But how they will surprise you in the competitive exams, let us see with next example. First have a look at this. If there is any doubt, please tell me. If no doubt, I'll move on to the next one. 125, good, good. Chalo. Let's go ahead with the next problem. Please try this. Please try this. You have just 10 seconds to answer it. Just 10 seconds. Your countdown starts now. Right? Any answer? Come on, you should not take this much time waiting for your response. 216, 216, 2 answers, perfect, excellent. Bhagyalakshmi, Dinesh, Kishore, Rajkumar, good, perfect. So here, as I already told you, if at all you are coming across this model where you have some cube root of something like this, you simply look at only the last part. You will be getting P, you have plus here, you will get plus. This 8 is nothing but what, dear? 8 is nothing but 2 cube, so you will get just 2 here. Just 2. Your answer should be P plus 2, P plus 2. So what is P here? P is 214 plus 2. Your answer should be how much? 216. 216. Perfect. Is that clear with everyone? Is that clear? Okay, dear. I'm moving on to the next one. Chalo, please try this. Next 10 seconds. Come on. Should not take that much time. Waiting for first response. Make it fast. 512, perfect. Perfect. 2 members. 3. Good. Good. That should be 512. Why, sir? Again, I have something like cube root of some operation inside. You simply go ahead with what? P. Your answer should be, if at all you have minus here, put minus. This 8 represents what? 2 cube. So you just put 2 here. P minus 2 is your answer. You already have 514. Minus 2 should be equal to how much? 512. 512. Is that clear? Everyone? Yeah, please respond. Please respond. Is that clear or any doubt in that? So can you solve any problem of this kind if it is appearing in the exam? Sure? Moving ahead here. Chalo. I'm going to the next problem. Now try this. Now try this. I'll show you two more models here. Here I don't have cube root, try to understand that. But still it is looking similar to that. Please try this one. Getting the answers? Come on, I need response. Yeah, please do share, like and subscribe our channel so that you will get the updates that are related to this SSC CGL, and you will be having live session daily from 7 to 8:30. So every day we will be having a different subject. So tomorrow also it will be algebra. Next day also it will be algebra. 3 days we will be dealing with algebra, then it will be other subject. So until SSC CGL exam, you will be having the live sessions continuously, right? Please like the video so that it will reach as many people as possible, so that will be beneficial for the other aspirants too. And subscribe to the channel so that you will get the notifications. Narsimharao, like Isampalli, sir, the last number should be only even. Last number need not be even. It need not be even. Generally, when they are giving the numbers over here, they will always frame the questions based on the numbers which have some logic and which will be easier for you to find the cubes or squares. See, even the examiner knows that the person who is writing the exam is a human being. They won't be giving you the bigger numbers to calculate. They are just trying to estimate whether you know the logic behind handling large numbers by converting them into small numbers by using some or other logic in that. No doubt they have given 99. So this will give you some cube, no doubt about that. So they won't ask you to find 99 cube or 999 cube or 1001 cube like that. How you can make that 99 cube as simpler by converting it into either 100 cube or something like that, right? Let us see the procedure, then you will understand it better. Right? 999, 6 nines, 5 nines also someone has given. 5 nines, 999. Someone is saying 100 cube minus 1. Perfect. Perfect. Right. There is, at least you tried it. Let me show now how you have to directly get the answer. Let me go for the detailed procedure first. Check here. Send it inside. This will give you what? P cube plus 3p square plus 3p. So here, for you to get the answer for this, you have to do this. P cube you should find plus 3p square plus 3p. If you are directly substituting p equal to 99 here, it will be time consuming. Then how to handle it, sir? Convert it into some easier cube there. So what I can do, as you are having plus here, I will simply put plus 1. That is plus 1 cube I will put. But you cannot add any number of your choice. As you have added 1 cube, subtract 1 cube also. So that will not affect the value of the equation. In this case, this will get converted into what? Just check out. This will be equal to p plus 1 whole cube. P plus 1 whole cube minus 1. This 1 cube is nothing but 1. So p plus 1 whole cube minus 1. P plus 1 will become what? You have p as 99. 99 plus 1, it will be 100. 100 cube minus 1. 100 cube minus 1. 100 cube is nothing but when I am cubing a number ending with 0, set of zeros, you just have to get, if at all it is 100, if there is 1 0, for cube it will be giving you 3 zeros. If there are 2 zeros, for every 0 you will get 3 zeros in the cube. That's why it will be 1 followed by 6 zeros. 1 followed by 6 zeros minus 1. This is a 7-digit number minus 1 will give you all 9s. How many 9s I will get? 6 9s I will get. 6 9s I will get. Right? Now, what is the shortcut, sir? Blindly remember. Generally, this model is given by giving you all 9s only here. Most of the times. If all are plus over here, generally it will be given as 99. If at all you are having minus over here, that will be given as 101. Like that they will give. Then what should be done, sir? If at all you are having all plus, simply go for what? If at all you are having all 9s, If all 9s are given, they will give you all plus here. If you are given 101 here, they will give you minus here plus here. That is a blind observation, because then only it will get converted into this logic. That's what I mean by. Now going ahead with, if at all you are having 1 9 here, your answer will be 1 9 will lead to, in this model, 1 9 will lead to 3 9s. Each 9 will produce 3 9s in the answer. If it is given as 99, your answer will be how much? 6 9s. 6 9s will be there. If at all you are given P as 3 9s, let us say, each 9 will produce 3 9s. So totally how many 9s you will get? 9 9s you will get as the answer. Right? As simple as that. Sir, what if it is not 99? If it is given as 101, what will happen? Let us see one more example here. Right? Please check it out and tell me if there is any doubt. Any doubt? No? Can I move on to the next one? Please respond, please respond. Please participate there so that I can understand whether you are understanding or not. Right, dear? Next. Going ahead with the next problem. Please try this one. I told you, I gave you the hint. What is the hint I have given? If at all you are given all plus, they will give you 99 there. If at all you have minus here, plus here, they will give you 101. 101. Right? Now, if at all you are having all plus over here, your answer will be p plus 1 whole cube, p plus 1 whole cube minus 1. If at all you are having minus plus here, if all plus are available, your answer will be p plus 1 whole cube minus 1. If at all you are having a combination like this, minus plus, your answer will be p minus 1 whole cube, p minus 1 whole cube plus 1. P minus 1 whole cube plus 1. Right? Now go ahead. Here it is like minus plus over here. I can blindly say my answer should be what? P minus 1 whole cube, p minus 1 whole cube plus 1. So p is nothing but 101. 101 minus 1 is nothing but 100. 100 cube plus 1. 100 cube plus 1. That will give you what, dear? 100 cube is nothing but 1 followed by 6 zeros plus 1. That will give you how much, dear? 1 followed by 5 zeros, 1. So 1 0 0 0 0 1. Getting the logic? Please make a note of it and tell me if there is any doubt here. Any doubt? No? Right? Any doubt? 1 0 0 0 0 1. That is correct, dear. That's correct. Shall I move on to the next one? Can I move on to the next one? Right. Chalo. Now, so here it should be, there is a small mistake here. It should be x to the power of a minus b. It should be x to the power of b minus c. It should be x to the power of c minus a. X to the power of a minus b, x to the power of b minus c, x to the power of c minus a into this. Now check out. We know that x to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to x to the power of mn. This is one thing we know. And x to the power of m into x to the power of n is equal to x to the power of m plus n. These two things I will utilize to solve this problem. Those two basic formulae I need in order to handle this. Right, dear. So here if you observe, it is looking like x to the power of this a minus b together, you consider it as m here. So this is m, similarly this is m, this is n, this is m, this is n. So that will give you x to the power of mn. So that gives you what? X to the power of a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square into x to the power of b minus c into b square plus bc plus c square into x to the power of c minus a into c square plus ac plus a square. This will give you how much, dear? This gives you a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square is nothing but a cube minus b cube. So this is nothing but x to the power of a cube minus b cube into, this will become x to the power of b cube minus c cube into, this will become x to the power of c cube minus a cube. This is equal to, this you assume it as x to the power of m, x to the power of n, like that. As all the bases are equal, we simply add the powers. That will give you x to the power of a cube minus b cube plus b cube minus c cube plus c cube minus a cube. This will give you how much, dear? All of them will get cancelled. You are left with 0 at the top. So x to the power of 0 is equal to how much? 1. Right? It involves a little bit of process and some application of the formula that we have already learnt. Is that clear? Please write down. Please tell me if there is any doubt here. I'll clarify. Any doubt? Any doubt? Please respond in the chat box if there is any doubt. No? Right? No doubt? Chalo. Going ahead with the next one. So this is another important identity that we need to master for staff selection commission based exams. Many questions we have seen which are related to this simple identity. So what is that, sir? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc will always be equal to half of a plus b plus c into a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. That can also be written as a plus b plus c into, this inside values can be written as a plus b plus c whole square minus 3 into ab plus bc plus ca. If I am expanding this formula and simplifying that, that will become equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. And please remember, here in this case, if a plus b plus c is happening to be 0, if a plus b plus c is coming out to be 0, then in such a case what will happen, dear? If a plus b plus c is equal to 0 in this case, this entire part on the right side will become 0. Hence I can say that a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to 0. This gives you a cube plus b cube plus c cube must be equal to what? 3abc. This is another relation you must remember. Right? Please make a note of it. Are you comfortable or any doubt with that? I repeat, please raise if there is any doubt. In the chat box, you can leave the message. Right? Shall I move on to the problem? Can I go to the problem? Right, dear? Chalo. I'm going for the problem here. Now, what is given? So, I repeat, this is the important relation that you must keep in mind. A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC must be equal to half of A plus B plus C into A minus B whole square plus B minus C whole square plus C minus A whole square. Now, let us see. Here it is given that A equal to 34, B equal to C equal to 33. B and C both are 33. They are asking you for the value of A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. If you directly substitute A value, B value and C value here, as I already told you, 34 cube, 33 cube, 33 cube minus 3 into 34 into 33 into 33 will be difficult and time consuming. So this can simply be written as equal to half of A plus B plus C, half of A plus B plus C into A minus B whole square plus B minus C whole square plus C minus A whole square. This is what we have just now learnt. Now utilize that. So half of A plus B plus C, that will be how much, dear? 34 plus 33 plus 33. That is adding up to 100. Into A minus B whole square. A minus B, A is 34, B is 33. 34 minus 33 is 1, that will be 1 square. Plus B minus C whole square. B is 33, C is also 33. 33 minus 33 is 0, that is 0 square. Plus C minus A whole square. C is 33, A is 34. That will give you how much? Minus 1. So 33 minus 34, minus 1 whole square. This gives you how much, dear? That is equal to half into 100 into half into 100 into this is what? This is 1, that is also 1. So 1 plus 1, that will give you 2. 2 gets cancelled. That will be equal to how much? 100. That should be equal to 100. Hence your answer must be option D. Right? So this is how we can convert this complicated calculation into simple calculation if you know this relation here. Please make a note of this. Done? Any doubt till here? Any doubt? Explain again. Which one, Lucky? We're talking about this or previous one, dear? I didn't see the message. Talking about this one only? See, I'm just applying the formula, whatever I have just now taught, that formula I am trying to utilize here. This is the formula that just now I have taught. A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to half of A plus B plus C plus, into A minus B whole square plus B minus C whole square plus C minus A whole square. Based on that formula, I am just trying to simplify this calculation by substituting the values of A, B, C in this particular formula. That's all. Right? Is that clear? Right, dear? Next one. This I have already explained. If A plus B plus C is becoming equal to 0, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube will be equal to 3ABC. This also we have learned when I was discussing that formula. Here I have taught. If A plus B plus C equal to 0, A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC will become equal to 0. That's why A cube plus B cube plus C cube will become equal to what? 3ABC. right? Chalo. Now have a look at it. These are the applications of that. Further, if x plus y plus z equal to 6, then the value of x minus 1 whole cube plus y minus 2 whole cube plus z minus 2 whole cube is, right dear. So here they are asking you for x minus 1 whole cube, y minus 2 whole cube plus z minus 2 whole cube. It is looking like a cube plus b cube plus c cube is how much? A cube plus b cube plus c cube will become equal to 3abc provided a plus b plus c equal to 0. In place of a, I have x minus 1. So this can be written as 6 if you send it that side. That will give you x minus 1 plus y minus 2 plus z minus 3 will be equal to 0. This will be equal to 0 I can write. Why, sir? If you are adding 1, 2, 3, that will add up to how much? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 will add up to minus 6. That gives you x plus y plus z equal to 6. That is satisfying that condition. So if x plus y plus z is equal to 6, from that I can say that x minus 1 plus y minus 2 plus z minus 3 is equal to 0. If so, based on this I can now say that as it is looking like a plus b plus c equal to 0, a cube plus b cube plus c cube must be equal to 3abc. So 3 in place of a I have x minus 1, in place of b I have y minus 2, in place of c I have z minus 3. So that will be equal to 3abc. Hence it should be 3 into x minus 1 into y minus 2 into z minus 3. Hence your answer has to be what? Option D. Is that clear? Please make a note of it. Understanding the application? Rajkumar given the option as D, that is correct. Bhagyalakshmi D, right? Okay. Let me go ahead with the next one. It looks complicated here, but if you understand the concept behind it, is again the simplest one. The moment you come across something like this here, it is looking like some a cube plus b cube plus c cube. If you are getting something like a cube plus b cube plus c cube, check what is a plus b plus c. So here, first you go for x by a is how much? From this I can say that send a that side, that will give you x by a is equal to b minus c. Similarly, y by b is equal to c minus a. Similarly, z by c equal to a minus b. Z by c equal to a minus b. So here we are asked to find a cube plus b cube plus c cube. A is nothing but x by a here. In place of b I have y by b. In place of c I have z by c. So as they are asking you for a cube plus b cube plus c cube, we will check a plus b plus c value is how much. If you add these three, that will add up to how much? X by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to how much, dear? This is adding up to b minus c plus c minus a plus a minus b. That is giving you how much, dear? So here everything is going to get cancelled here, plus b minus b plus a minus a plus c minus c, that gives you what? 0. It is now looking like a plus b plus c equal to 0. Hence I can now say that a cube, in place of a I have x by a cube plus b cube, that is y by b, plus c cube, in place of c I have z by c, is equal to 3abc. 3 in place of a I have x by a, b I have y by b, in place of c I have z by c. On simplifying this one, this will give you how much, dear? 3xyz by abc. right dear? So the moment you come across the problem where they are asking about something looking like a cube plus b cube plus c cube, you can just test what is the value of a plus b plus c. If it becomes equal to 0, directly you can take your answer as 3abc. So here I have, in place of I have x by a, so 3 into x by a, 3abc. That on simplification will give you 3xyz by abc. That will give you the answer as what? Option C. Right? Please make a note of it. Are you comfortable with this? Can you do the next problem given? Right dear? Everyone? Chalo. Let me go for the next one. Please try this one. Try this one. Just look at it and try to think of solving it. They are asking you for the value of the expression a minus b whole square by b minus c into c minus a plus b minus c whole square by a minus b into c minus a plus c minus a whole square into a minus b into b minus c. So here, what is missing? Try to take the LCM over here, or simply try to make the denominators equal. Denominators equal. For that, what I can do is, a minus b is missing in the denominator here, b minus c is missing here, c minus a is missing here. Now multiply both numerator and denominator with a minus b here, numerator and denominator. That will give you what dear? A minus b whole square into a minus b. That is a minus b whole cube by a minus b into b minus c into c minus a, plus this will give you, multiply both numerator and denominator with b minus c. This gives you b minus c whole cube by a minus b into b minus c into c minus a, plus this will give you, multiply both numerator and denominator with c minus a. That gives you c minus a whole cube by a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. Right dear? Now, as the denominators are same, you can simply add the numerators. That will give you how much dear? It will give you a minus b whole cube plus b minus c whole cube plus c minus a whole cube divided by, we have a minus b into b minus c into c minus a at the bottom. Now again if you check here, this together if you take it as a plus b plus c, that will add up to 0. This plus this plus this, those three expressions together will add up to 0. If a plus b plus c equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc, 3abc. So 3 into, in place of a I have a minus b, so it is equal to 3 into, in place of a I have a minus b, in place of b I have b minus c, in place of c I have c minus a, by a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. This will get cancelled, that will become equal to how much? 3. Still here also the application of that, if a plus b plus c equal to 0, a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc, that logic is involved. Hence your answer should be what? 3. It should be option B. Right? Please make a note of it. Right? Are you comfortable here? Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt for anyone? No? Right, dear. Let me go ahead with the next problem. Please try solving it. Now just think of the application here. What is given? They have given a power 1 by 3 plus b power 1 by 3 plus c power 1 by 3 equal to 0. Then which of the following is true? It is looking like you imagine this as a, b, c, that's all. Don't imagine the powers. You imagine it as a, b, c, or else I can imagine it as x, y, z here. So it is looking like x plus y plus z equal to 0. If x plus y plus z is 0, I can say that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. This is what I can say. That's what I can say. So in place of x, what do I have? A power 1 by 3. If I put a power 1 by 3 whole cube, that will give you what? A. Plus in place of y, I have b power 1 by 3. b power 1 by 3 whole cube will give you b. Plus in place of z, I have c power 1 by 3. c power 1 by 3 whole cube will be equal to c. So this will become equal to what? 0. So if a plus b plus c, if a power 1 by 3 plus b power 1 by 3 plus c power 1 by 3 is equal to 0, that gives you a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to what? 3abc, no, not 0. So 3abc here. So here a cube plus b cube plus c cube I have taken must be equal to 3abc. That gives you what? 3abc. 3abc. 3 into, in place of a, I have what? A power 1 by 3. B. B power 1 by 3. C, that is c power 1 by 3. Right? This can be written as what? So here a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc, we know. So this is the relation we are going to get. X cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. By putting the values over here in place of xyz as a power 1 by 3, b power 1 by 3, c power 1 by 3, this is what I am going to get. On further simplification, it looks like a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c is equal to 3 into abc whole to the power of 1 by 3, I can say. Just check, do you have any such relation here? So I don't have. A plus b plus c equal to 0, that is wrong. A plus b plus c whole cube equal to 27 abc, let us check. A plus b plus c is 3 abc, wrong. A cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 0, no. Let us check these two. If I cube on both the sides, this will become how much, dear? If I am cubing on both the sides, this will become equal to a plus b plus c whole cube is equal to 3 into something whole cube. So that will give you 3 cube, which is nothing but 27. ABC whole power 1 by 3 whole cube will give you what? ABC only. Hence I can say that a plus b plus c whole cube is equal to what? 27 ABC is the relation we can extract from that. Hence it should be option B. Right? So this is the first thing you should understand. It is looking like x plus y plus z equal to 0. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube must be equal to 3xyz. By substituting in place of xyz the values a power 1 by 3, b power 1 by 3 and c power 1 by 3, we will get this relation. But this is straight away not available in the options. So they have given further. So if I cube on both the sides, that relation is coming out to be this, which is given in option B. Right? Please write down that. Is that clear? Everyone? Option B. Someone said option C. It's not option C, dear. It is option B. Next. This is the next one that you should know. Next relation you must know. What is the relation, sir? The square of any number, will never ever be equal to, negative. Second, if the sum of the squares of two numbers is becoming 0, that means each number must be 0. So if the sum of the squares of any set of numbers is becoming equal to 0, that is possible. The square of any number will never be 0 unless the number itself is 0. If the sum of the squares of the numbers is becoming 0, that means the numbers, each number must be equal to 0, then only that is possible to get sum of the squares of the number as 0, sum of the squares of the numbers as 0. So here if you observe, it is looking like this, x square plus y square plus z square equal to 0. If x square plus y square plus z square equal to 0, please remember this is possible only if each of the terms is 0. Now if you look at the relation that is mentioned here, it's like a minus 3 whole square plus b minus 3 whole square plus c minus 9 whole square equal to 0, then the value of square root of a plus b plus c is what? Now they are giving you the sum of the squares of these three as 0, each term must be equal to 0. If so, a minus 3 must be 0, b minus 4 must be 0, and c minus 9 must be 0. If so, based on this I can say that a equal to 3, b equal to 4, and c equal to 9. We want the square root of a plus b plus c. Square root of a plus b plus c. Right? So here a minus 3, if it is becoming 0, a must be positive there. So all a, b, c's are positive numbers. The square root of a positive number will always be positive only. So this is adding up to square root of a plus b plus c. Together it is adding up to how much, dear? 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 9, 16. So 16. This is plus 16. Square root of a positive number will always be positive. Hence it must be equal to what? 4. Hence your answer has to be what? Option B. Option B. Right? Please make a note of it. This is the logic that I am applying for this particular model. Whenever you come across the sum of the squares of the numbers as 0, that is possible only if each number is 0. That is the idea that you have to keep in mind. Right? Is that clear? Is that clear with everyone? Any doubt? No? Okay. Try this one. Try this. This is the last problem we are going to see for today. So tomorrow also session will be there at the same time, that is 7 p.m. Please do subscribe to SSC Online channel, and please do like and share the video so that you will get the notifications whenever we are updating any videos on the channel. Now tell me the answer for this. It is given as again equal to 0. So the sum of the squares of three numbers is given as 0. So each number must be equal to 0. If so, 3a plus 1 whole square, b minus 1 whole square plus 2c minus 3 whole square is 0. If 3a plus 1 equal to 0, if 3a plus 1 equal to 0, that gives you a equal to how much, dear? Minus 1 by 3. Similarly, b minus 1 equal to 0, that gives you b equal to 1. From this I can say that 2c minus 3 equal to 0. From this I can say that c equal to 3 by 2. What do we need? 3a plus b plus 2c. 3a, so that will give you 3 into a is nothing but minus 1 by 3 plus b is 1 plus c is 2 into 3 by 2. On simplification, that will give you how much, dear? 3 gets cancelled. This is minus 1 plus 2 gets cancelled. I am getting 3 here. Here minus 1 plus 1 will add up to 0. 0 plus 3 will give you how much? 3 here. Hence your answer has to be what? 3, which is nothing but option A. Right? These are some basic applications of the problems related to identities in algebra. There is another set of applications related to identities in algebra that we will continue it in the tomorrow's session at the same time, that is at 7 p.m. Right? So please do like the video and share it with as many friends as possible, and please do like our channel AS Online SSC. Right? Thank you and good night.